Which graphs are functions? Now, a relation is a function if the x values map to exactly one y value. What the heck does that mean? Well, when you're given a graph, what that means is it has to pass what's called the vertical line test. The vertical line test says if you take a vertical line, like this one right here, if you're wondering what that line is for, if you pass it through the graph, will the vertical line hit the graph only once no matter what? If it does, it's a function. So what we'll do is we'll take this vertical line test. Now, when I do a vertical line test, I make beeping sounds. And if at any point it freaks out because it's hitting two parts of the graph at the same time, that means it fails the vertical line test and it's not a function. So, beep, 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 beep. Now, at no point did my graph hit the line more than once. So that means it passes the vertical line test, and yes, this is a function. Now let's do it again. Okay, let's do it again. You see, nothing, 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 nothing. Beep, 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 beep. Now, hold on, let me hit the mute button. Beep. Now, if I were to put my line over here, it would be beep, 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 beeping because this line is hitting the graph at 1 and 2 spots. So this fails the vertical line test, which means it's not a function. All right, so let's move this over. Let's move this over. Let's get rid of this line and pretend that I didn't do it. And let's hit the unmute button. All right, now let's do this one more time. I'm going to take my vertical line and pass it through this mess of an equation and see if it hits the blue line more than once. Beep, 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 beep. Interesting. At no point did my line hit the blue graph more than once. It looks like it's awful, but that doesn't matter if it looks awful. It doesn't hit more than once. So is this a function? Yes, because it passes the vertical line test. So vertical line test means you take a vertical line, you pass it through your graph, and if at any point it hits it more than once, like it did here, me pretending to draw a vertical line, then no. If at any point it never hits a vertical line more than once, then yes, it is a function. That's how it's done.